Thank you for this wonderful question. I actually believe that returning the archives to Africa is part of the solution because it will give Africans access, direct access to the sources of the history of Christianity in Africa so that they can come up with their own narratives. And it is when we actually have competing narratives in history that we become closer to the reality of what actually happened. So, as long as the archives are in Europe, there is a lingering belief that it is still a form of colonialism. We are still dependent on Europe about writing our own history, and I think part of the solution is to send them back to Africa and have Africans themselves write their own narratives.
Thank you.